Welcome to How to Screen Record using Quicktime Player. The first question is obviously, why would we screen record? Well, we can do full or partial screen recordings, which can help us teach lessons or create videos, or you can save parts of a presentation that you are giving or that you're attending. Now, using my Mac and Quicktime Player, the first place I would look is down in my dock. If Quicktime Player is already open, it'll be down here. If it's not there, I can use the spyglass in the top corner. This is my finder. This allows me to search for the application. For those of you who may have a smart whiteboard, you'll have a blue circle right here, and this will allow you to screen record from there. I'm going to start with the finder and type in Quicktime Player. When I search Quicktime Player, I see the application arrive right here. And when I select it, it's not going to bring up a new program on my desktop. You're going to see it up in the top of your menu bar up here. When I select File, I want to choose New Screen Record, right there. Once I've selected New Record, you can see that my control panel appears right here on my desktop. It's pretty simple to use. The red button will allow me to start my recording. And next to it, I have a drop-down menu of whether or not I want to add audio. If I drop down, it lets me choose which microphone I want to record from. If I can choose MacBook, which is my computer here, it'll record directly from the computer in front of me. I would recommend using an external microphone to avoid feedback. Once I've selected a microphone, I'm given a control bar. This is my recording volume. I recommend keeping it a little bit lower so you don't have any feedback issues. If you have an external microphone, you may not have those issues, but if you're recording directly to your computer, you want to make sure that you're keeping it at a level that's not going to create that feedback loop. I'm going to choose my red record button, and that's going to give me a gray box prompt. That's going to tell me that I can click and just start recording everything on my desktop. I could drag to record part of my desktop, and when I want to stop, up here at the top of my computer, you will see a stop button. If I drag just a part of my screen, I'm given this rectangular box that will allow me to start recording, and this will only record this portion of my desktop. That's really helpful if I'm doing a Zoom call or a GoGuardian call, and I only want to record my portion and not the entire messy desktop. An example of this might be a Zoom call where I have everything on my Zoom call recorded, so I'm going to drag just the part of it that is my face. When I do, it's going to clean up the video for my students and then allow me to save it. Once I have a cleaner version of the Zoom recorded, I can close this out and it'll automatically prompt me to name my lesson. If I don't want to save it, just choose cancel, but I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now that it's saved, I still see the original recording, but if I pull it to the side, you can see down here I have the new cleaner version right on my desktop. From here, I can upload to YouTube or Stream and then share it with my students.